Okay, what's up with that?
Yeah, it's like a $2,000 bike, all custom. I got a Sunday frame, Sunday forks, uh, animal chain wheel, Macneil cranks, collision bars, shadow stem, Eastern headset, United seat. For the back custom rim, I have a We the People hub, lays two purple spokes, Eclat rim. The front, I have We the People female hub, lays two Eclat rim. Odyssey grips, Shadow Conspiracy hollow bolts, Eastern saddles, just a bullshit chain on here, heavy, KMC, whatever it is. Animal chain wheel, if you want to zoom in on this video, I'm not sure what you want to zoom in on it. All custom. About $2,000 we're looking at right here. Two fucking G's. Looking at like $2,000, boy.